Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, we are going to be learning how to join a team on Royal Match. To join a team in Royal Match, first of all, open up the Royal Match application on your device. Once opened up, go ahead and tap on the team icon located at the bottom of the home screen. After you get to the Teams tab, make sure that you are tapped on the Join option, and then you will see a list of teams available to join in. Browse through the team list or use the search box at the top and enter the name of a team. After finding the team that you'd like to join into, click on the View button right next to the team and click on Join on the next page. If the team is open for new members, you can easily join in by tapping the Join button. Some teams may require an invitation, so you may need to wait for the team leader to approve your request, and that's how you easily join in into a team in Royal Match. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more Royal Match tutorials. I will see you in the next video. Stay tuned till then.